Oh no! Mamma mia!
Ooh, let's try again, okay?
He's a funny.
Mamma mia! Hello!
Little toadies.
Slap my ass.
Oh! No! Oh! Wow!
I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. Now if I give a shit, I might just give a fuck, but I don't give a shit, so I don't give a... Oh shit!
What the fuck was that?
Oh shit.
Whoa!
Oh shit.
Mato, non lo preso, l'ho preso tutto da pacche da pato.
I got it!
Shut!
I now know what I have to do. My people need a hero.
Piece of shit! Oh yeah!
Ooh.
Toasty!
Fucking genius! Get that motherfucker!
Mario!
2 hours later.
Ooh. Hey, I'm hungry. Have you got any food?
I'ma guess I'ma go fishing.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Come here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy.
You done fucked up now! Pow! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh boy, this makes me so happy.
My nigga just got roasted.
Okie dokie. La la la.
No!
La la la. La 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 la.
Fucking idiot!
Yahoo! Wahoo! Yeah! Hey, hey, hey! Can I sing a song for you?
What?
If you love me, let me go.
Shut the fuck up!
Okie dokie.
La 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 la. What? My pumpkin sense is tingling! My friends need me! To the pumpkin mobile! Alright, time to go save my friends! Okay, let's go! Oh dear. I don't want to go over the speed limit though! I hope my friends are okay! Oh no, dear! I'm never gonna make it at this rate! Oh, I got a good idea! I'll use my pumpkin sonar! Calling all pumpkin friends! My pals are in danger! Can you stop playing poker, please? I really need your help!
Nope.
Oh, look, there it is! I'm here! Okay, what's happening?
The fuck?
Oh, what are you cooking? Can I have some? No! I'll have you know, I know fishing kung fu! Take some of this and some of that! You're gonna die! You're gonna get this! Daddy! Daddy, they're being so mean to me! Can you do something?
How you doing?
Oh, hey guys! What's up? Where are you going?
Poco l'università corporapoteca no foto che sarà pagato. Va bene, sotto pure mette patata prosciutto, dai.
Hey, motherfucker!
Oh, did you see? I always wanted to go there. Dad,